Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Mary Nenor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Ikaw na yata akong napupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuluyan. Ikaw ang napupusuan. Daradat, ikaw na yata akong napupusuan. Di akalayang magkakastuan. Ikaw ang napupusuan.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. Woohoo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi nyo siya masyadong vibe or hindi kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Alright, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Woo! Hi! So what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Tiffany Yona Lopez. I'm 19. I'm from Tondo, Manila.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I was a digital marketing staff and I'm
Okay.
also a content creator. So, yeah.
Okay, what kind of content do you do?
Everything that relatable sa mga
Okay.
life, daily lives, gano'n. Basta nakakatawa.
Okay. Fun content. Funny.
Yeah.
Okay, ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Oh, a lot. I'm really into dancing.
Sample!
Dance?
Oo.
Okay.
May penali pang ganun.
Yes, Cupid.
And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Of course, a man of his words.
Okay.
Yung, alam mo yun, hindi lang puro siya boka. Talagang, he's really into it. Kasi, I really do believe that a man can move a mountain.
Literal or?
No. When it becomes so physical, I like a man who is giving an effort to his body. Very disciplined. I'm talking about who goes to gym or jog.
Sa mga deal breakers naman, anong deal breakers mo?
Disrespectful, of course. Ayoko
okay.
talaga ng disrespectful. Like, you're talking behind my back after what we had. Yes, I
okay.
don't like that.
All right. Okay, well, mukhang wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours.
Yes.
I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
2 balloons to pop. Okay. I'm gonna go with you.
And one more.
You.
Okay, let's go over
Yes.
here.
So, Arvin, 26, entrepreneur.
So, bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya?
He reminds me of someone.
Sino? Like someone from your past na ex or what?
Actually, he has a lot of physical similarities with my childhood crush.
Oh,
broke my heart.
Tapos?
Yes! Not to judge, but my gut telling me that we're not compatible.
Ba't naman? Naging kayo ba nung crush na yun or hanggang crush lang?
Muntik na.
Oh, baka ngayon ng time.
May reincarnation.
Reincarnation. Any response to that?
Sa akin, okay lang naman. If it's her preference, I respect it.
Pero ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
I'd like to get her know her more, di ba? Sayang.
Oh my God.
Okay, set ka na doon.
Regret, sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so set ka na.
Yeah.
Okay, and over here as well.
Roy, 25, business contracts analyst. I also do stand-up comedy on the side. Yeah.
Sample!
Tiffany, dog lover kasi ako.
Okay.
Depende sa luto.
What do you mean?
Natatakot ako.
Dog. Oh my, what do you mean?
So, anyway, bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
It's not my type physically, I think.
Okay. Anything specific about him na hindi mo type?
You look like...
Sino na naman?
Wala, yun lang. Yeah. Di lang talaga type.
Oh, any response to that?
All good lang.
Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help get to know them better.
How do you know that is already love and not just infatuation.
Hi, my name is Clifford. I'm 25. I have a business in the States and a business here. I take my time to get to know someone because I've been in experiences where I've love bombed and someone else has love bombed me. And so when I decide to pursue someone, may intention talaga. As in, I will take my time to get to know you, what you've been through, and I'll go from there.
You still love bomb until now?
No, I've worked a lot on myself to get past that.
Steven, 27, music artist. Siguro masasabi kong love kapag nag-expect ka na ng good morning sa kanya. Tapos kapag infatuation lang, parang pag hindi mo siya hinahanap, and okay lang na wala yung energy niya tuwing morning or tuwing pagkagising mo, ganun.
Mahilig ka ba mag-text ng good morning?
Pag mahal ko na.
Okay.
Ako nga pala si JM. I'm a freelance artist. Paano masabing infatuated? Minsan ako nagagandahan din ako eh. Pero marunong kasi akong tumingin ng isang tao kaagad. Hindi ako naniniwala doon sa love at first sight kasi parang nagandahan ka lang doon eh. Totoo yung sinasabi nila, pagka nakilala mo talaga siya ng kung sino siya, tatanggapin mo siya kung sino siya eh.
Johan, 27, horticulturist. Sa akin kasi, ayun, like kung ano yung sinabi niya, hindi ako naniniwala sa first love. So, pwede, crush on foresight. Yan. Kumbaga, sa una, magagandahan ka. Pero, ano lang siya eh. Sa umpisa lang, hahanapin mo pa rin yung ugali ng isang tao.
My name is Eric and 22. Operation Associate, back office. Siguro masasabi nating infatuation lang yun, yung nagandahan ka nga lang. Pero halos lahat kasi nasabi na nila eh. So, sa segundahan ko na lang. So, ang hirap pala dapat sa unahan ako nakakuha. So, hindi, yun nga, siguro pag nagandahan ka lang, para sa akin infatuation yun. Pero pagka yung pag binalaman kang something na parang medyo red flag sa kanya pero tanggap mo pa din siya, yung ganun. Yung para sa kanya yung real love.
Hi Tiffany, my name is Neil. I'm 24. I'm a guidance counselor. And infatuation is want anchored on desire. Real love is a conscious, intentional decision.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Ay, ipop mo daw. De joke. Okay, 2 balloons.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Here, sorry.
Tada.
And sorry.
Okay, so bakit siyang napili mo ipop?
I don't know, but just wala lang, pinap ko lang siya na
Ala? Wala dun sa sagot niya, wala sa ano ba?
Parang may hinahanap akong something.
Okay.
That's why.
Do you wanna point out what it is na hinahanap mo?
Siguro yung pagiging matiisin, matyaga, yung consistency. Yun.
Feeling mo wala siya, no?
Wala.
Okay. Sure. Grabe.
Actually, di ko alam kung ano yung sinasabi ko kanina. Parang medyo nalutang lang ako. Pero actually gusto kong sagutin yung Siguro pag dun sa part na love mo talaga isang tao, mag-e-effort ka eh. May sasabihin pa sana ako iba eh, pero kaso lang yan.
No.
Napop eh. Pero it's okay.
Sorry.
Does that change your mind or set ka na doon?
Asset.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Mature naman siya. Parang sanay naman. Kasi sa industry na pinahasa ko po is, sanay naman po akong tumingin ng ganun. Kumbaga parang I'm into personality. Ayan.
Yung personality niya ba, swak sa'yo?
Gusto ko pa siya makilala kaya hindi ako nagpop eh. Kasi dapat magpa-pop na ako. Sabi ko, parang sanay na ako dito na parang gano'n.
So, bakit siyang isa mo pang napili?
Ayun, same as reason na binigay ko dun sa isang guy, like lacking of something. Siguro.
Ano yung kulang
kung
naman sa kanya?
Dapat narinig ko yung effort. Yun. Yun talaga.
Kasi naubusan nga.
Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang.
Ano naman tayo sa sakto lang? Okay, from last episode, sakto lang din. Oh.
And medyo naman siya, given naman yun. So, baka para sa iba talaga siya doon.
Thank you.
Okay,
Nice to meet you.
so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. I would
Another
like you to ask
quest.
another question. Yes.
Another question.
Hala.
Nakaranas na ba kayo sa life nyo na dumaan kayo sa stages ng parang attraction lang naramdaman nyo without emotional connection dun sa person?
No, I think I'm more attracted to someone's character than they are for their appearance. I think you call it a demisexual also. Yeah.
Feeling ko normal naman yun na ma-attract ka sa someone na, yun nga, yung pretty na maganda. Ewan ko, parang nature ba ng buhay yun na na-attract ka at nilulook up mo siya. Parang happy crush, parang ganun. So feeling ko, na-attract ako sa someone without emotions.
Does that answer your question? What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sige. I get your point. Okay.
Oo, sabihin natin nature ng men, yung ganon. Na-attract ka doon sa tao. Yung unang tingin mo sa kanya, maganda. Kasi natural naman yun, di ba? I never been in a relationship na ganun lang. Mas hinahanap ko yung deeper ugali niya.
I think attraction is just one of many stages, and you can be attracted to someone without there necessarily being an emotional connection. Like, for example, I'm attracted to you, but I'm not necessarily emotionally invested. So there's that.
You good with that?
Yeah, I get with that. Okay.
Okay.
Just like him, I get your.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay, I already get it from the first time I heard your answer.
And one more.
Ayan. The last guy. Sorry.
So bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Ayun, like he proves that hindi niya kayang mag-invest ng emotionally. Kasi I do believe na attraction fades. Pero kapag ano na alam mo yun, pag emotionally invested, you feel emotionally connected to the person, it lasts. So, isagot mo is more based attraction talaga. So,
Ang pino-point out mo pala is a relationship na agad. Akala ko parang in general question lang. So, parang surface level lang din yung sagot ko. Pero kung siguro na-clear mo siya ng what if tayo na, tas tinanong mo ako ng ganong feeling ko mas masasagot ko siya ng kung ano yung mas tamang sagot. So, pero okay lang, go lang.
But now knowing that she means being in a relationship, same din ba yung answer mo?
Siguro hindi. Kasi, yun nga, halimbawa, significant other ko na siya. Feeling ko iba na yung sagot ko dapat. At yun naman talaga yung dapat na sagot. So, yeah, feeling ko hindi na yun yung sagot ko.
Does that change your mind or
no, set back.
set na?
Yeah, set.
Okay. Alright. Pero na-type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang. Pero mukha siyang ano yung sakit sa ulo.
Ba't naman? Ba't naman?
Feeling ko ang kulit niya masyado, ganun.
Yeah, I'm so bubbly.
So hindi kayo match ng vibes?
Siguro may mga times lang na hindi kita masasabayan.
At least you're honest though. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Alright.
you.
Well, thank you. Okay, and over here. Okay, so bakit siyang isa mo pang pinili i-pop?
Same reasons, you tell earlier that you can't be emotionally invested to someone like that. So I don't think that, mapipili kita in the last.
Same lang din sa kanya. I mean, attraction is just a stage for me. So, in the long run, when the attraction fades, I'm the type to commit long term. So, yeah, emotional connection really is important. But to me, attraction really is the first stage. Because I don't find myself building a future with someone I'm not attracted to.
Does that change your mind or? Bakit? Dapat
Yun.
full package na.
Yeah, full
I see.
package.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I heard a pop balloon. Who was that? Sino yung nag-pop ng balloon? So why did you suddenly pop your balloon?
First, I just want to say na you're stunning. You're stunningly beautiful. Yun lang. Ano lang, sa age lang siguro. Kasi I want to settle. Yun lang. Looking for someone na magsasettle na.
Ikaw ba, hindi ka ba in the settling energy yet?
Of course, ready na
Oh.
kasi. Kasi alam mo yung feeling na, of course, life is short, tas mag-spend ka pa sa ganun tao na attracted lang pala sa'yo, tas hindi kayang mag-build ng future with you.
So does that change your mind?
Siguro, I'm good na.
All right, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, so before we proceed, I'd like you to ask your final questions for each other. How about from you?
So I'm 25, and so my question is, what values or what can you add to my life?
Papa-experience ko sa'yo yung mga hindi mo pa na-experience sa life mo. Yeah. Kasi,
Guys?
yeah, I understand.
Ano nangyari?
For me, it just seems like that answer comes with a lot of spontaneity and adventure, which is, I'm all for that. But I really just wanted to hear your answers throughout the entire period, which I think you have a great heart. I think your emotional awareness is really there. I see it. But me being a little bit older, I just feel like I don't want to get into a situation where maybe at some point I'm already ready to move on with my life, but then there's a lot of things that I don't want to hold you back from.
Nice.
Do you agree with what he said?
Yes.
Okay.
But
Friends, I'm happy to.
of course, nice to meet you.
Yeah, we can go get food. It's okay.
Yeah, I really like his answer talaga. Very consistent from the start till the end. So, yeah. Nice to meet you.
Okay, puso na laruan, forming friendships. Ding! Okay, well, thank you so much, both of you. Thank you so much. I hope you join us again next time. Unfortunately, wala tayong match, but thank you!
I enjoy.
Yay!
Yes.
That's what's important.
Yes!
Before we introduce the next sexy single, we actually have a wild card in our lineup. Please welcome AJ. Ikaw na naman! Thanks for joining us again. Without further ado, here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! Hello. So what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Shara. I'm turning 20 this year, and I do modeling and content creator.
Oh, cool. What kind of content do you do?
Usually on the skincare and makeup side.
Okay,
Yes.
nice. Okay, ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
For fun, I like golfing and swimming.
Okay, that's cool. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Someone who's emotionally intelligent
Okay.
and respectful. Yeah.
Okay, how about sa physical?
Physical. Someone who's tanned.
Tan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Someone who likes to
Medyo
go.
moreno,
Yeah.
ganon. Okay. Ano namang mga deal break... Wait lang, tinitingnan. May moreno ba dito? Nag-check sila lahat sa skin nila. Ano namang mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Someone who's rude.
Okay.
And someone who's not emotionally intelligent.
Alright, well right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, and one more.
Okay.
Alright, let's go over here. Oh! Okay. Alright, we'll get back to you in a bit.
Steven, 27, music artist.
Okay, so bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
I feel like on this style, parang hindi kami masyadong same.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'd prefer someone na similar yung style with you?
Yes.
Ikaw ba, may preference ka ba na dapat same kayo ng style ng girl?
Siguro, depende sa style, pero gusto ko ng loud. Yung kapag nakita siya ng someone, parang ang loud niya, gano'n, hindi ko alam kung...
Does she count as loud to you?
Yeah, lalo yung height.
Type mo sana siya?
Yeah.
Okay, does that change your mind at all or no?
No.
Hi, I'm JM. So, ginagawa ko is freelance actor and performer. So, same field and isa din akong student ng multimedia arts. Ayan.
So bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
The style is great. I actually love his fit. It looks nice. I love the color.
You actually match.
Yeah. But I feel like on the height. Yeah.
Yun nga ang sabi ko. Dapat magpapap na ako kanina. Pero hindi, sige, okay lang. Pero since nasa same field, malay mo, we can be friends naman din sa other field na.
Pero ikaw ba, okay lang sa'yo yung type, yung height difference ninyo?
Actually, gusto ko yung matangkad lang ng ganyan. Hindi yung sobrang, tas matangkad siya. Pero, if ever, yun, kung gusto niya pa mailalagay.
Okay, so we heard a pop balloon over here. So what happened?
Hello, my name is Eric and Office Administration sa back office. Sa height din, medyo nalalakayan ako sa kanya. Ay, parang hindi nga tugma pag babae yung mas matangkad siguro.
Yeah, understandable.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
On the style also, no.
Oh, okay. Ano bang style niya for you?
I think that's a streetwear.
Ano, ibang style yung gusto mo? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So please ask a question to help you get to know them better.
So if you're gonna try to win me and within 20 seconds, what would you say?
Hi, my name is Clifford. I'm 25. I'm a business owner here in the Philippines and the States. I was raised in a family of divorced parents, and so I really had to learn how to be independent and learn how to grow as my own person, but be able to take care of others. No longer a people pleaser. I like to understand with intention and then make sure I am intentional with how I treat a partner.
Johan, 27, horticulturist. 안녕하십니까? 한국 사람입니다.
No, Japanese.
Oy,
Assuming, the joke.
sabi kasi nila. Hindi, yun. Sayang.
Oh, sayang naman yung line mo doon.
Siguro, ano eh. Wala na yung 20 seconds.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ano na?
I'm so stand. If I'm gonna meet you for or win you for 20 seconds with word, I don't say anything. I just want to show you.
Okay, just for curiosity, what kind of actions would you do for your partner?
Anything just to make her smile.
My name is AJ, 24, Piso Net Operator. I am a man of my words. Ayun lang.
Thank you. Okay.
Konbanwa, I'm Arvin, 26, entrepreneur. I'm a man of my word. I would like to get to know you better. Ask you questions, see what you think. I would like to date you with intention.
Hi, my name is Neil. I'm 24. I'm a guidance counselor. To be honest, I'm not really a guy of words, but I'm loyal. I'm honorable. I don't cheat. I don't lie.
All right, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. And one more. Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
I popped him because he looks like my cousin.
Oh! And you're not into that? I'm just
Yeah.
kidding. Ang daming relatives sa episode na to. Or mga kamuka. Okay, so just because of that,
Yes.
if he didn't look like your cousin, would you be into him?
No, because he looks like my cousin.
Oh, okay. You really
Yeah.
cannot unsee. Okay, do you have any response to that?
I'll see you at the family reunion.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
She's very beautiful. I think it's the height. And my ex-girlfriends have been tall, but I think at some point it might it might be difficult. I do like your eyes though.
Thank you.
Bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
When he answered the question, he didn't really answer. He just said, I'm gonna ask you questions. And I wanted to hear something about you.
himself.
Yeah.
Because the way I said that, I thought it would get the message across that I'm the type of person who likes to get to know people. I'm not the person who just is self-centered and the type to make the relationship about me and present myself.
Does that change your mind or?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
She's very beautiful. Maybe,
you.
if we could catch up other times, be friends maybe.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. I want you to ask another question to help get to know them better.
What's your biggest ick in a first date?
If the girl is yung materialistic.
Hindi nagre-respond pag kinakausap mo, like, okay, ganyan. Parang napapatay yung vibes nung date, nagiging boring. Parang gusto ko na lang umuwi kaysa makasama ka, di ba? Ayun.
Mas nagpo-flow sana yung conversation.
To sana flowy yung conversation, pati yung vibes.
My biggest ick in a first date is when my date is disrespectful towards service industry folks. I've been in the service industry and I respect them a lot. So that's really a big deal to me.
Based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
All the answers were great. So I'll just base this by the looks.
Okay.
Sorry. Gulat ko.
Okay. Okay, so since you said that it's about the looks, what about him set you off?
Not by the looks like the face,
Ah,
but by
okay.
the fit. I think the earrings.
Okay.
It's too flashy. And if you're gonna wear earrings, just wear on the other side too. So it's equal.
Oh, gusto
Yeah.
mo both
Yeah.
ears merong earring.
So it's more like equal.
Just my style. Yun lang.
Understandable.
Gusto ko rin mag-pop kanina kasi ang takad niya. Yun lang. Kasi looking for someone na mas maliit.
So hindi mo din sana siya type because of the height.
Because of the height. Yun lang. Pero she's so beautiful.
So since we have 2 balloons left, sila naman magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them get to know you better.
Pag magde-date ba tayo, pabor ka sa 50-50?
Okay, as a 19 years old, it's not really an issue because I'm still young. So if I'm gonna date someone, it's okay to like have 50-50. Yeah.
So you're okay with splitting the bill?
Yes.
Okay.
So if we were to date, for context, I have very strong family values. How would you win my family over?
Your family has routine, and if I go with your family, I think they're gonna see me as fresh girl with a jolly vibe. I can love with you guys. I can make you laugh. Yeah.
Any follow-up?
No, I love that answer.
So since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the choice is yours. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Sorry.
Yan na.
Oh. Okay, so bakit siyang napiling may pop?
I agree with the 50-50.
Okay.
But like, I think more on the style.
Okay. What about what he's wearing?
It's the top is too colorful, but you're funny and you're like good looking. I like the hair.
All right. But because of the shirt, it's a no-go for you?
Yes.
Okay. Any response?
Sorry, nakagaling ko lang sa boundary ng jeep eh.
Okay, pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Type ko siya pero parang out of league ako.
Ba't naman?
Masyado siya maganda. I mean, look at her.
Ikaw, ano ka ba?
Simpleng tao lang.
You're good already?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, we have one balloon left. So, please join us over here. Okay, so, before we proceed, do you have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
None.
None from you. Okay, how about you? Oh my gosh! Okay, sorry. I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya? May pagtapon ng toothpick. Nonchalant pa rin. Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I'm gonna pop. Sorry.
Oh my gosh! Why? Okay. So, what happened? Why did you pop his balloon?
Actually, he's good looking,
Okay.
very well spoken.
All right.
And the conversation's flowing really good. But I think,
I hate my outfit too.
no, it's the hair.
Oh, it's the hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think-
I can't part with the hair.
Yeah.
What about his hair? How do you find it?
It looks like it's wet. And like, I like more of a bit neat hair. Like, neat lang po.
Any response to that?
I do love my hair, so it's kind of a deal breaker then. But it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, forming friendships again. Okay, so unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you, both of you. Thanks for joining. Go back na lang! Thanks for joining. I hope you join again next time. Thank you! Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! Hello.
Hello po.
Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Bianca, 22 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living? Or anong job mo?
I'm a dental technician po.
Okay, ano namang hobbies mo? Or what do you like to do for fun?
I love lifting weights po. I love hiking kahit nakakaisang bundok pa lang ako.
Okay.
I love hiking agad, no?
Okay,
Yan po.
okay lang naman. We have to
Yes
start
po.
somewhere. Okay, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality traits, physical traits?
Of course po, same interests and macho.
Macho, okay.
Yes po.
So dapat same interests and... Uy! Naglabasan yung mga... Ano naman mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Mababa po yung tingin nila sa mga ibang tao po.
Alright, so wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating... Nakala ko may gagawin. Okay, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Oh my gosh. Oh my day. Sorry po.
And one more.
I'm sorry. Sorry po.
Okay.
Arvin, 26, entrepreneur.
So, ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Wala lang pong attraction.
Okay, is there anything specific about him?
Wala
Dahil ba
naman.
nilabas niya yung tiyan niya kanina nung sinabi mong macho?
To denim po.
Oh!
Denim.
No, nilamig lang kasi ako kaya sinuot ko. Kanina wala ito eh.
Okay.
Kung hindi niya suot yung denim na yan, type mo ba sana siya?
No.
I mean, he can remove it, he said. Take it off! Take it off! Does this change anything for you? No. Okay, so what is it about him?
Parang hindi lang po kami bagay.
Okay. Any response to that?
No, it's her preference. I can respect it.
Ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
She's pretty.
Thank you so
Diba?
much. Thank you.
I mean, siguro ba kung friends, maybe. Diba?
Of course. Sure.
My name is Neil. I'm 24. I'm a guidance counselor.
So bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Same lang po. Parang we're not, bagay, ganun.
Oh. What makes you say that?
Parang mas matangkad po.
Oh, okay. So gusto mo taller than you or same age?
Yes,
Or,
po.
same height, ganon? Or
Or
taller?
almost ganun lang po.
Oh, okay. Pero ikaw ba, does height matter to you? Like, if she's taller than you, does that matter to you?
If she's like gonna wear heels, I don't mind. I don't really mind. Because I'm like, I don't think I would be insecure about my height. I can definitely be myself and project who I want to be.
Okay, I heard some pop balloons. Sino yung mga nag-pop? Raise your hand. Okay, so ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
I mean, mas matangkad kasi siya sa akin eh. Hindi niya gusto yun. Hindi niya gusto yun. So, baka next round, i-pop niya rin yun. So, inunahan ko na lang.
Ano response mo doon? Yun din ba yung magiging reason? Like, would you also pop his balloon? Or?
Ano po, he looks like my friend po.
Okay.
My gay friend.
At least kaibigan, di ba? Hindi ka mag-ano.
Step up yun. So, dahil kamukha siya ng friend mo,
Yes po.
hindi mo siya matatypan romantically?
Yes.
Okay.
Super, as in.
Mika, hindi.
Oh, hindi. Same kayo ng nose.
Same kayo ng nose daw. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya kung hindi siya nagkaroon ng parang height requirement?
Maganda naman siya, oo nga. So, sakto lang.
Ito na naman tayo sa sakto lang.
Johan, 27, horticulturist. Mas matangkad sa akin yung nasa dulo. So, kaya, tapos, ayun, looking for shorter one.
Kung walang requirement na yun, type mo sana siya.
Ako kasi may preference. So, yun.
Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi rin po.
Hindi rin. Because of... Sino daw kamukha niya, sabi nito.
Wala po, hindi ko lang talaga cup of tea.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you get to know them better.
If free time nyo, ano yung ginagawa nyo?
Clifford, 25, business owner. I love cooking. I think food is a love language, and what you can cook for someone expresses the act of service. I also love learning old recipes and being able to make sure when my partner comes home, the food is ready at the table.
Hi Steven, 27, music artist. So ang ginagawa ko kapag free time is nagbabasa akong libro and nanonood ako mga videos kung paano ako mag-grow pa, self-improvement, mga ganun. So, yeah.
My name is JM, 23 years old, and isa akong freelance artist. Siguro, ipapakita ko kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko na I think magugustuhan.
My name is AJ, 24. Dentist train ng kuko, manicure, pedicure. Nag-gym ako minsan, pero di halata kasi diretso parisan kagad ako. Tapos nagkukulik ako ng Hot Wheels din. Kasi di ako makabili ng tunay na kotse. Yun muna ako, dun muna ako sa maliit eh.
So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh!
I'm so sorry.
May minigame ba na paunahan mag-pop? O, unahan na naman na.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
Shorter din po.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Kaso lang, syempre sa heart. Ganun.
Alright, well, thank you so much. Okay, and over here. So, sino ba nauna? Pero ipapop mo na sana siya, no?
Yes po.
Okay, so why would you pop his balloon?
Parang red flag po kasi.
Talaga?
Parang nabavibes ko lang. Parang nabavibes ko na ang red flag siya.
Na naman daw.
Red flag ako.
Feel ko lang.
Feel ko lang. I mean, hindi mo sure.
Parang yan din sinabi mo dati.
Hindi mo malalaman, hindi mo tatry, di ba? Pero ayun, kung ayun yung judgment mo, I mean, wala naman akong comment dyan kasi ganoon din sinabi sa akin nakaraan.
Tatampo na to. Anong klaseng red flag ba yung nafe-feel mo sa kanya?
Sakit siya sa ulo, ganun po. Feel ko po ano siya, gimikero. Parang
Gimikero.
Panay gimmick
Ay.
po.
Naulan!
So, tama siya.
Tama.
Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
I mean, yeah, pwede naman, pero pwede rin friends. Okay. I mean, magsisimula ka naman lagi sa friends, pero that is not the end, di ba?
Okay, so we still have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo.
What do you think's been the most traumatic experience in a relationship with you?
I think yung super seloso. As in like, parang kahit may assurance, grabe yung anxiety niya na parang inisip niya na mag-cheat ako sa kanya, ganun.
Yeah, no, I understand
Like,
that.
super draining nun.
Yeah.
And,
It's not your job to make someone feel secure about themselves in a relationship.
pero I do my job naman na i-assure siya every time.
Yeah.
Pero yung tipong, yung followings mo, nadagdagan lang ng isa,
Yeah.
i-question niya yun. Yeah. Super draining.
Thank you for sharing.
Okay.
10 years from now, paano mo nakikita yung sarili mo?
Plan akong mag-join ng military and
Whoa!
feel ko,
Oh! Okay, go ahead. Finish your answer.
feel ko, dun ako mag-retire if ever.
So LDR, ganun.
Yeah, maybe.
Sure na yan?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
What happened? What made you pop?
Siguro hindi ko lang abot yung ganong work or siguro hindi lang ako well-educated sa military gusto ko yung parang nandyan siya, halimbawa yung pahinga ko, ganun. So,
I see.
feeling ko hindi lang mag-work sa akin yung ganong setup.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Okay. And your response to that?
I agree naman po sa LDR setup. Like, hindi po madali for me. Kaya, I agree.
Okay. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
I mean, ano po,
Inunahan ka na yung sa height daw?
pero he's cute po.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, cute naman daw pala. Nag-blush bigla. Wait, what? Okay, but
Ayun lang po, LDR.
final ka na doon?
It's a lifetime.
Depende. Paano bang gusto mong ma-work around natin yun? Siguro, deal breaker lang yung sa military. Sayang, ganun.
Okay, and over here we heard a pop balloon. So what happened?
I want to be clear, it was not about the military piece. I actually really respect that and your willingness to serve. I think it's when she walked back in the room. I kept looking that way.
Who? Oh, is it our sexy single from earlier?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well, more on that later, but it's because of that.
Yeah, I just kept on getting distracted.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, do you have any response to that?
No, hindi na po kahadlang dyan.
Support ka doon?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but maybe we'll see. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, and who exactly were you pointing out? Can you please take her to the stage? Are you guys getting this? Please join us on stage. Woohoo! So, ano ang comment mo sa sinabi niya? Happy New Year! Does he have a chance with you? Would you go out on a date with him?
Of course.
Oh, okay! I think we have a pusuan match! Okay, please take each other's hands and go on into your happily ever after! Okay, so since kanina meron tayong wild card na nag-join ng lineup, meron din tayong wild card syempre from our sexy single ladies naman. So this is actually a surprise to all of us, but one of our camera women, yung crew natin dito sa Puson or Laruan, would like to join as a sexy single. And actually, birthday niya rin today. So pa-birthday na rin namin sa kanya to. So be kind in the comment section. Okay, so please welcome Candice. Hi, Candice! Happy birthday, Candice!
Thank you po.
Okay, so Candice, how old are you and anong job mo?
I'm turning 21.
Okay.
And my current job is a camera operator in this show.
Okay, so what do you like to do for fun or anong hobbies mo?
My hobbies are filmmaking, videography, as well as photography, and sometimes just cafe hopping.
Okay. Wait lang. What made you decide to join all of a sudden?
Bastahan ko sa sarili ko, sabi ko, if nagmatch sila,
okay,
hindi ako sasali. And if hindi sila nagmatch, sasali ako.
Okay, so since hindi nagmatch yung last round,
Yeah.
ito na.
Yeah.
So, ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
I never really thought about love because for me, I am always a career-driven person.
Okay.
So I'm always thinking about what to do next or in order to advance my career.
Okay.
So I've never really thought about love.
So, exploring pa lang ngayon of what you might be
Yes,
into.
you would say that.
Okay,
Yes.
so I'm guessing wala ka ding deal breakers pa or meron ba?
Cheaters.
Okay. Given.
Egotistical.
Okay.
Man-child.
Okay.
Immature. So far, that's it.
Okay, so basta wag lang yun.
Yes.
Okay. All right, well right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, why? Gusto mo, pwede naman sila mag-adjust, diba guys? Okay, so now I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop just based on what you're seeing right now.
Nakapili na po ako kanina.
Wait, what? Wait lang.
I already knew who my first 2 is.
Ay, akala ko naman may napili ka ng person from the lineup na type mo. Okay, so sino yung first? Kasi kanina ka pa pala nag-shoot, no? Sino yung first two na napili mo? Ayan. Okay. And one more.
Steven, 27, and music artist.
Okay, so bakit siyang isa mong napili?
Kamukha niya po tito ko.
Ano siya? Ito na naman tayo sa family reunion eh. Siya ba may kamukha din siya?
Wala.
Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi, ayoko lang mag-pop kasi nang maaga dahil birthday.
Oh, happy birthday to you. Okay. Alright. Well, dahil lang doon, dahil kamukha niyo yung tito mo. Okay. And you also popped his balloon. Bakit kaya?
My name is AJ, 24. Wala na akong trabaho, natanggal ako.
So, mula kanina tsaka ngayon, biglang natanggal ka sa work.
Oo, tambay na ako ngayon.
So, from bus driver to doctor to PisoNet operator, kung ano-ano pa.
Memorize niya. Joke lang.
Kanina pa ako nag-shoot.
So, bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Kasi kamukha niya yung kagusto sa akin.
Oh, na hindi mo naging type.
Hindi ko type.
Gusto mo yung shoutout? Okay, so dahil doon.
Yes. Tsaka parang I see him as more of a friend na parang kulitan lang, ganun. He not for a serious relationship. Alam ko yun yung sinasabi nila kanina pa, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Akala ko red flag na naman ako eh.
Red flag ba siya for you? Based sa mga narinig mo kanina na nag-shoot ka?
Medyo immature.
Oh.
Di mo sure.
Aman tayo. Ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Type ko siya na hindi ko type.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Ayoko na i-type.
Okay, we still have 5 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you get to know them better. Yung mga hindi mo pa alam, narinig mo kanina.
What is your definition of love?
I'm JM, freelance artist. Multimedia artist. Ayun, alam mo na. For me, love is a sacrifice. Yung isa doon sa kinahangaan ko is si Jesus. Kasi sinacrifice niya yung buhay niya para sa mga kasalanan natin. For me, kaya siya sacrifice kasi ginagawa mo lahat para ipaglaban siya.
Johan, 27, horticulturist. Love for me is giving. Kung mahal mo yung isang tao, kung gusto niyang makawala sa'yo or something like that, give it to her. Parang wag mo siyang i-hold.
Arvin, 26, entrepreneur. I'd like to define love with 4 C words. It's a continuous commitment that's also a choice. If you will always be committed and continue to act towards the people that you love, whether it be yung level of love na family, relationship, friendship, kung mahal mo yung tao, ibibigay mo what's best for them or what you think would be good for them.
My name is Eric and Operation Associate, back office, turning 23. Yung love sa akin is magical siya, tas powerful. Kasi sa love, parang magagawa mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo ginagawa dati. Parang ganun. Love is commitment din. Required siya na may commitment din sa love. Tapos na po. Yun po.
My name is Neil, 24, guidance counselor. And honestly, this is a really hard question. Pero to put it quite simply, for me, siguro love is kapag, alam mo yung kapag kinukuha mo yung hindi toasted na pandesal. Kasi alam mong gusto na yung toasted. Yan. Yan.
Okay. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Na-pressure ako. Wait, nasanay ako, nandun ako eh.
Ba't ka sumali bigla?
I really like all of your answers. And one of those answers kind of reminded me of something.
Okay.
Kasi feeling ko magka-schoolmates kami. Or like we attended the same school kasi it's so similar.
All right. Well, let's see. Pero hindi the same?
Hindi the
Okay. So, bakit siyang napili mo yung pop?
You're giving more of a kuya vibe for me.
Okay lang. Understandable naman.
Kasi I just turned 21.
Okay. But how about what you mentioned earlier about the school?
Secret.
True.
Secret.
I'm not gonna disclose it, but it's not true.
Secret.
Pero yun yung similar yun sa how you would describe love, ganun ba?
In a way, pero kasi for me talaga, I haven't really experienced love. So, I wanted to know their definition of it first.
Okay. Pero ikaw pa, type mo ba sana siya?
I mean, again, get to know them much better. Medyo shallow pa, di ba?
Okay, and over here. So, bakit siyang isa mo pang piniling ipop?
Actually, cute siya.
Okay, but...
Pero like, Cute siya, pero I don't think that we vibe.
Oh, based on what?
Vibe.
Vibe? Bakit? Ano ba nasabi niya? Or...
Based on the aura itself. Kasi parang I feel like na pang tropa lang siya. Oh, sorry.
Any response to that?
Tropa lang, okay lang.
Eh, ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Gagayahin ko na lang siya na getting to know each other. Copy-paste mo na lang muna ako, tropa.
Copy-paste. Okay, so tropa muna then from there, ganun.
Di mo sure, sabi.
Okay. We still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So ask another question.
What's your take on avoidant attachment style? For a little context, that's me.
Oh, okay.
I'm avoidant.
Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. Alright. So, ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
Hindi ko kaya siyang matake kasi meron din akong minsan na anxious attachment. So, I think magka-clash tayo doon kasi I'm very clingy.
Tama. So, feeling mo
kasi
magka-clash talaga?
I used to be anxious and then I became avoidant. So, I really do understand.
Actually, mapapagdaanan mo din naman yung kung magiging comfortable ka kung sino ka, mangyayari din yun sa'yo is magiging secured ka din balang araw like me.
I feel like we can be friends kasi I'm actually a communications student.
Since birthday mo naman, ayan.
Yeah.
Ano since birthday ko pala? Since birthday, pagbibigyan mo siya maging friend?
Since nasa same industry din kami, ayan.
Yeah.
Hindi yung dahil sa birthday niya. Grabe.
Doon sa avoidant na communication is also attachment sa between relationship. So, yun. Kasi ayoko ma-feel na, kumbaga ako lang yung mag-work dun sa relationship.
Ang ironic, no? Communication student ako.
Oo nga, sasabihin ko nga eh. Paano yun? Does that change anything?
Sa kanya.
No, pero like for additional context, I do know how to communicate. It's just that if...
pinag-aralan mo nga eh.
yeah. Pero if let's say I was put into a situation wherein I'm really stressed, I just need time alone because private time is like one of my biggest priorities.
Okay. Do you have anything to add?
Kung papasok tayo sa isang relationship, hindi mo dapat ipagdadamot yun. Papakita mo kung sino ka dun sa taong love mo or dun sa partner mo. Parang mahirap lang na manghuhula ka.
Any response to that? Or
I really like your answer. But I feel like we would vibe with these kinds of conversations.
Okay, like romantically or... Well, it seems like we have 1 balloon left. So please join us over here. Okay, so do you have any final questions for each other before we proceed?
I want to hear his question first.
How would you date someone who is not good at communicating?
I have to know their patterns. So it's like a psychoanalysis wherein I have to know their patterns, what triggers the situations, and then find the right solution for it. But emotionally, I just have to be patient.
Any follow-up?
And understanding.
Okay.
Would you consider yourself good at communicating or?
I'd say I'm pretty good at communicating other things, but I'm very bad at communicating what I want and how I feel.
Same.
Yeah.
Bagay naman pala kayo. Ikaw, may tanong ka pa ba?
Ba't hindi mo pa pinapop yung balloon mo? Honestly, that's like one of my biggest questions. Why?
I'm also avoidant, and I feel like a hypocrite if I pop because she's avoidant.
So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, sure.
Okay! And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Wait lang, I have to add, I'm really shocked. Kasi hindi ko pa ito naranasan before.
Hindi mo pa nararanasan.
I've never gone on a proper date before. I've never been asked out.
Is this going to be the first time that you're gonna say yes? Just one day. Just one day.
I want to get to know him emotionally and more.
Okay! I'm gonna take that as a yes. We have a puzzle match! Alright, take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Puso An or Lalo